Foodies, hello! Today we're making Parmesan crusted cod steaks, and we're gonna do it in the air fryer. Okay, so Anthony will show you. I have them already dried off over here. Some beautiful cod fillets. Look how beautiful these boneless cod pieces are. Absolutely beautiful. And what we're going to do with this cod is we're going to dip it in our egg mixture over here. Here I have some beaten eggs, and this is the primo breading. Okay? Remember, it's the primo breading.
But what's in the breading?
Panko crumbs. A little bit of paprika, a little bit of parsley, a little garlic powder, some salt, and what we have is our beautiful Parmesan cheese. Okay? Then what we're going to do is dip these, bring them down the line, and get them on our baking sheet. And we're going to pop them in at 400 degrees in our air fryer for about 6 to 8 to 10 minutes. You know, just make sure they're flaky. Okay? At 400, you're going to do them in your air fryer. If you've never done this before in your air fryer, remember, once you get the breading on and you get it on the pan, you're going to need to spray either olive oil or canola oil, whatever you like, Pam or olive oil, on the pan and then on the breading. It helps to make it brown faster, and you're not dredging it in oil like you would on top of the stove. So we're saving some saturated fat this way, but keeping all of our taste of tasty Parmesan cheese and everything in the good panko crumbs and everything right here, okay? All right.
And these are wild?
These are wild cod. Wild caught cod. If you get regular cod, whatever kind of cod you like, and I'm using the wild caught cod today. So there we have it. Watch the shorts, watch the long, but watch the shorts. They're in numbers, and as I move through the process to get it into the air fryer. So this is Pete. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. And do remember, you can join the 1,000-some-odd people that have already joined our Cook, Eat, and Enjoy beautiful way to do things for your family. So there we have it. This is Grandpa Pete, Uncle Pete, Gray-haired Pete. This is Pete, Chef Pete. Thank you. We'll see you again. Pete out.